Hey, how's it going? So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get your images to have rounded corners, as well as if you want your images to take custom shapes. So what you want to do is add your images, or in this case they're called layers as usual. So we'll take this second layer first and we'll head over to the top, select layer, and then down to vector mask and reveal all. Now you should see the mask added in. So what we're going to do is head over to the rectangle tool. You can right click on this and select rounded rectangle. Now the next important part is to select path, and you should see this deselected, so select it again, and then we can just pull this over and you should see we have rounded corners on this image. So the same step pretty much applies to the rest of them, so ellipse and polygon as well. But let's take custom shapes. We're going to do it for this image, so we'll take this one here, do the exact same, layer, vector mask, reveal all, and we'll just select the love heart. Now you can do this where you click somewhere on the image. Now I've clicked in the center, so we'll make this about 1200 by 1200, and then we'll make sure we select from the center and OK. So there you go, that's another method of doing this, but the steps are pretty much straightforward and the exact same for everything.